Hello, my name's Thomas Crimmel, and this is my video to represent my project that I'm submitting to the 2016 CalGIS competition. So, to kind of get started, the name of my project is the North County Food Policy Council web map. Just to give a background of what my project is, I've been working with the North County Food Policy Council for the past year, and with Palomar in the community of working together while also developing maps with local communities and organizations like the North County Food Policy Council. Last semester I developed maps with them that showed in their commutative area an updated school data that showed how many people were on the free reduced lunch program and how many schools around the area were in that area, and along with a polygon layer that developed and showed the amount of poverty inside of North County. But working with the map and working with the North County Food Policy Council, this idea for this project came up after realizing how unfriendly and inaccessible the map was in general. Being hosted on ArcGIS online, a lot of the map has a lot of points on it, a lot of layers on it, and is kind of a mess to look at and not really accessible for the common community and also the people working inside of the North County Food Policy Council. So in talking with a community organization, I talked to them about perhaps building a project to make it more accessible for the people inside of the North County Food Policy Council, while also making it accessible to other community organizations that could use the map to further the goals of really food security in North County. So the map in general will be taking a lot of layers from that they've already developed that include things like school layers that involve also with that the free reduced price lunch program. While also taking other layers like poverty, food banks, churches that also distribute food, and so on and so forth, and giving it an ability so that people can look at the map in a more detailed way. The web map would be a map that would be developed with predefined queries so that the separate cities that are in North County could use those queries. Those cities are Carlsbad, Oceanside, Encinitas, Solana Beach, Escondido, Poway, Vista, San Marcos, and Del Mar. All of those cities will be using these maps and have the ability to really access the information through queries and use the information to their benefit. For example, just to give an idea, the map will be laid out on the self-editable web app template that I will be working with, and there will be bookmarks that will let each city go to the certain area that they wish to go to kind of see their city. Inside of the query search, for example, if I give an idea, the free reduced price lunch program, you could be able to search up and see how many schools in the area of Carlsbad have over 10% of the school population on the free reduced price lunch program, or have over 30 students on the free reduced price lunch program. And it would bring up all the schools in the region that have that meet that definition to let you better see where food security needs are in the area of their particular municipal city. The impacts for this app and the project as a whole would be pretty enormous, or pretty substantial for the North County Food Policy Council in really implementing their policy. First off, it would make it easier for the North County Food Policy Council to use the data that they've already collected and mapped out, but it would also make it easier for other municipal governments who currently do not have a relationship with the North County Food Policy Council to talk with the to encourage and develop or foster a communication between the two community organizations in order to incur and further the goal of food security in North County. So in conclusion, just to look at my project, it's just making a web app that would be able to display the layers that they've already developed for certain things, while also allowing predefined queries and other widgets that would help benefit the understanding of the map further onto the furtherization of the process. My name is Thomas Crimmel, and thank you very much for your time.